Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the smooth duet chain on TikTok. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then here's an example right now. So that is what the smooth duet chain looks like, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make one as well. And by the way, this works for both iOS and Android users, so if you're one of them, then keep watching. If this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure that you're subscribed to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on my post notifications and being active as always. Thanks to these fam. And now let's get on with the video. So I'm gonna start with my iOS users, so if you're one of them, then let's go ahead and let's make our very own duet chain thingy-majiggy. And to my Android users, I'm gonna be putting a time frame down in the description for you guys to click on so you could watch the Android part of this video. And now back to my iOS users. Before we get started, you're gonna be needing a few apps, and those apps are the TikTok app and also the PocketVideo app. And as always, I'm gonna be leaving the link down in the description for you guys to click on so you could download those apps if you don't have them yet. And yeah, and once you have downloaded those apps, the first thing that we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be finding a song that we want to do for this video. So let's go ahead right now and go to our TikTok app. So for this video, I'm gonna be using this. This is the first thing that popped up in my For You page, so why not use this audio? So again, to use the audio that you wanted to use, just go to the audio right here in the bottom right. Click on the add option to save it, and just remember what audio that you're using, because what we're gonna do right now is that we're gonna be filming our video in camera app, and we're just gonna be adding this audio to our video to make it more interesting. So once you have picked your audio and you click on add to favorites right here in the top, what you're gonna do right now is you're gonna be going to the camera app, and guys, for this one, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be putting your phone on the steady place, or if you have a tripod, then use a tripod right now. So as you can see, I have this very cool blanket. So usually when you're filming this, you have to be like far away from the camera, and since this is just a tutorial, I'm gonna be showing guys how it actually works and how you're gonna filming it. One more thing is that when you are recording your TikTok, make sure to do everything within 15 seconds, because usually all audios in TikTok are 15 seconds long. And yeah, there you go. And guys, just another tip that I have for you guys, when you are filming this, make sure that you start on your left side. Every time start on your left side, because that is like where the biggest duet is. And also you're gonna be doing like some form of like trick where you're gonna go like whoop. I could touch the other duets too, you know what I mean? So just do something like that, make it interesting, or like walk around between duets like that, and we're gonna be like shook. So now that we are done recording, the next thing that we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be getting our video on Photos. So go to your Photos app right now. As you can see, my video is right here, and what I'm gonna do right now is that I'm just gonna be cropping this into 15 seconds and basically crop it to where I started doing the stuff for my TikTok. And to crop your video, you're just gonna be going to the edit option right here, and you're gonna be sliding this to the left depending on where you want your videos to start, and do the same thing to the end right here where you want it to end. Just basically position this like whoa, just like that. And once you're done positioning your videos, just press on done on the bottom right, and you're gonna be saving it as either trim original or save as new clip. Once you have done that, the next thing that we're gonna be doing now is that we're gonna be going to PocketVideo. So just go ahead and head into your PocketVideo app, and once you're on your PocketVideo, just press on the plus sign right here, click on Instagram video, and select on portrait. So you should have something like this. The next step that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be clicking on the plus sign right here, click on camera roll, and we're gonna be selecting on camera roll again, select on your video, which is this one right here, press on done. So once you have this right here, as you can see, that's me like, you know, doing the fake duet thingy-majiggy. So in the description below, I'm gonna be leaving a link there to download this video clip of a duet preset that I made for you guys. So basically download that one, and we're gonna be importing it into PocketVideo to make the fake duet thingy-majiggy, and I'll show you guys how it works later on. So once your video has imported into PocketVideo, we're gonna be clicking on the clip again right here, click on video sticker, and click on add. And for this one, select on camera roll. For this one, we're gonna be selecting the video that I told you guys to download down down in the description where you could just make the fake Duet thingamajiggy. If you have that one downloaded already, we're gonna be clicking on that one right here. And as you can see, it looks like this, and just press on done on the top right. And as you can see, it looks like this right here. So once it is done importing, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna be zooming this all the way in just like that until we have the entire screen covered. So just do that carefully and make sure that everything is covered. And once you think that everything is covered, just press on the yellow check sign on the left side and we should have something like this. Once you have done that, we're gonna be clicking on the clip again, click on video sticker, and we're gonna be clicking on the screen right here. Just tap on it and it should highlight the entire layer right there. We're gonna be clicking on mask and click on green screen. So once you press on green screen, you should have something like this. And as you can see, it looks like we're making a duet. And just a reminder guys, the video that I filmed here is just an example video on how I usually do it. So when you are filming yours, make sure to move back, like back off right now. And you just do like a simple trick of like doing like that, like showing that you could go through multiple duets and all of those stuff. So once you press on green screen, just press on the check sign right here. And when you play it, you should have something like this. Wow, I could stretch myself. So once you think that you are done editing, just press on finish on the top right and just press on no because we don't need any music, and it is exporting our video right now. When this page show up, just press on the save to camera roll and you are pretty much done and you are ready to go to post this on TikTok. Just go to your TikTok app and we're gonna be pressing on the plus sign right here, click on upload, and we're gonna be selecting the video that we just exported from PocketVideo, which is this one right here. And as you can see, it looks like that, like, you know, multiple duets right now. Very nice. And just press the next right here. The next step that we're going to be doing is we're going to be clicking on select sound on the top right. Click on my favorites, because if you guys remember earlier, we click on add when we selected the music, and you should see it right here if you selected on add earlier. So just press on the check sign right here. And one more thing is that you're going to be clicking on volume option right here. For the original sound, slide that all the way down just like that and press on the check sign. And now you should have something like this. Very nice, I told you. So once you're done, just press on next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own smooth duet chain thingamajiggy, then be sure to put in the hashtag SkySpam so I can watch you guys' videos and maybe react to them in the future. I'm actually like this close into reacting, so you guys better do the hashtag right there. And also you could do the hashtag duet chain if you'd like, cause you know, duet chain right now. So that is pretty much on how you could do your very own duet chain smooth thingamajiggy for TikTok. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful. And if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know that in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, be sure to follow me at Life with Eric and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias, and which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye. You thought I was leaving Android time right now. So to my Android users, before we get started, you're gonna be needing a few apps, and those apps are the TikTok app, the camera app, and also the new KineMaster app. So if you guys have watched my videos before and you downloaded this KineMaster free thingamajiggy that I put in my description before, there's actually a new one, and if you guys haven't downloaded that one, make sure to download it right now because that is like the more updated version of KineMaster. And also, if you guys don't know how to install it, in my last video, which is how to use the trend thingamajiggy for TikTok for my Android users, if you guys haven't watched that one, there's a part right there when I showed you guys how to download the KineMaster. And as always, I'm gonna be leaving all of the links down in the description for you guys to download those apps if you don't have them yet. And yeah, once you have all of those apps ready, then the first thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be finding a song that we want to do for this video. So right now, let's just go ahead and go to our TikTok app. And once you think that you found the song that you want to use for this video, what you're going to do right now is we're going to be clicking on the audio in the bottom right. And as you can see, it takes you right here. And to use this audio later on, what we're going to do is that we're going to be clicking on the top right here where it says favorite or add, depending on you guys' TikTok versions. And for me, it says favorite, so we're going to be pressing on that one to save that audio to use later on for our video. And once you have done that, the next thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be filming our video. And for this one, we're going to be using the regular video option in the camera app. So right now, just put your phone in a steady place, or if you have a tripod, then use a tripod right now. So when you guys are recording yours, make sure sure to position yourself on the right side of the screen, even though the video of the duets is on the left side of the screen. Because what's gonna happen is that it's gonna mirror your video, and right now it looks like you're on the right side. When you save the video later on, it's gonna show that you're on the left side instead. So make sure to film the right side like this. Also, you have to be far away from the camera when you're doing this, like maybe standing up. And since this is just a tutorial, I'm gonna be just sitting here like that, and I'm just gonna go like whoop 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 or something like that. You know, like very good tricks right now. So let me film mine right now. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it. So I just finished recording my video, and when you guys are filming yours, make sure to film only 15 seconds, and you could just do whatever you want. You could do like, you know, popping in out of like that on different duets and something like that. You could slide your arms like that to show that you're going through so many duets, and you know, you could be so creative with this one. It is up to you, whatever you want to do. So once you think that you're done filming, the next thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna be editing this video in KineMaster. So let's go ahead and go to our KineMaster right now. So once you're on your KineMaster right now, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be pressing on the plus sign right here. When you get into this page, we're gonna be pressing on media, and we're gonna be importing the video that we just filmed in our camera app, which is this one right here. So just press on that one, and it should import your video right here. As you can see in our video right now, we have black bars in our sides, and we don't want that in our video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be clicking on the clip right here, click on the rotate / mirroring, and for this one right here, we're gonna be rotating it to the left side. So press on the left side right here, which is this one, and you should have something like this. The next part that we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be importing this video that I have for you guys, in which you could just add into your video to look like it is a multiple duets, even though it's not. And I'm gonna be leaving a link down in the description for you guys to download the video clip of what we're gonna use today. So be sure to download that one, and once you have downloaded that one, we're gonna be going to layers, go on media, and just find the video that we downloaded earlier, which is this one right here. And again, if you haven't downloaded this one, it is in the description below. And once you get into this page, the next thing that we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be clicking on rotate / mirroring when you scroll down, and we're gonna be rotating it to the left side again, just like the media earlier. Once you have done that, we're gonna be clicking on back right here, click on this square thingy-majiggy, and we're gonna be pressing on this one right here, in which makes our video into full screen like that. Once you did that, we're gonna be scrolling back down, and we're gonna be selecting on rotate / mirroring, and we're gonna be selecting on rotate to the left side, because that is the same side that we rotated our video earlier. So we're gonna be pressing on that one. As you can see right here, our layer is actually like zoomed in, and what you're gonna do is just zoom out just like that, so that you have everything right here and you couldn't move it anymore. And once you have done that, the next thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be pressing on the layer again. We're gonna be going down to chroma key right here, click on enable, and you should have something like this. As you can see here, it already looks like it's a multiple duet, and when you play it, it looks like this, like whoa, me zooming in and out from the multiple duets right now. Very nice, you know. And as you can see from here, I actually recorded this way too close to my camera, so just letting you guys know, when you're filming yours, record like far away from the camera, and you can just go ahead and walk around and go to multiple duet sections. For this one, make sure to crop the beginning where you actually started posing for the TikTok, and do the same thing to the end where you could just drag this like that until you see where you ended acting for the TikTok. And again guys, just a reminder, TikTok videos are 15 seconds long, so don't go over 15 seconds, or else when you put the audio later on, what's gonna happen is that the audio is already done playing, but you are still doing something on the video, and it's gonna look weird. So once you think that you are done, what you're gonna do now is that we're gonna be going on the back option, which is this one right here. Click on the project right here in the top, click on the share option, and save this to 1080. And for this one right here, you could just choose whatever you want, and for me, I'm just gonna put it like in the middle and click on export. So our video is exporting right now. So while this video is exporting, let me show you guys what we have so far. So watch this right now. So that is how our video turned out, and now it is time to share this to TikTok and show everyone what magic powers we have today. So once it is done exporting, as you can see right here on the right side, something came up, and it is this one right here. Just click on the share option right here on the right side, and we're gonna be selecting on upload to photos or save to gallery, depending on your device. So right now, just go to your TikTok app, and once you're in your TikTok app, you're gonna be pressing the plus sign right here, click on upload, and we're gonna be selecting the video that we just exported from KineMaster, which is this one right here. As you can see, our video is right here, and if your video shows up like this, just rotate it until you get the right rotation, just like that. And now just press on next, and press on next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own Duet chain smooth thingamajiggy, be sure to put in the hashtag #SkySfam so I can watch your videos and react to them in the future. If you guys didn't know, I might do a reacting to you guys' TikToks very soon, so be sure to use the hashtag so that I could watch your videos and hopefully react to yours for a video. So that is pretty much it on how you can make your very own Duet chain smoothing majiggy for my Android users. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, and which the links will be down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.